waving traffic.
It's all over the animal kingdom when they do things to make themselves look bigger. The cobra spreads out his ribs to look bigger. And you see little thugs in the street going, hey, come on, what do you want? You know, they're just trying to make themselves look bigger. It's very instinctual. And so and that is why it's so critical. So I quickly dive out of the car and I run around and I grab Steve and turn around and make eye contact with me, break his attention off my friend who's smart enough to step out of the way. And I start talking to Steve for another 15, 20 minutes and finally calm down. That tone of voice.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. This is the office environment. Yep.
I'm already kind of pissed. I've been sitting here for a half hour. The lady told me to sit here and, you know, for a couple minutes.
What are you doing here?
Well, you were here to see your child.
Yep,
They're right in there?
absolutely. And I'd like to go see him.
Right, well, can you hold on for me, please? There is a court order.
Nah, that's bullshit. There's no court order.
Okay.
Nope. There's no way.
Okay, stay here for a minute, because listen, we have to go by what? What are you doing? I'm using a bathroom.
Sir, do you know where you are, or are you lost?
I'm not lost.
Is there something that we can help you with?
I'm using a bathroom.
No, this is the ladies' bathroom.
Yes.
The men's is on the other side.
Every time I come in here to use the bathroom, I get harassed.
Well, sir,
Why can't you accept me as a woman?
That was perfect. That's awesome because we're trying to get them, hey, we love you, we accept you, but a lot of people are going to be nervous finding a guy in the women's room. We have family restrooms. That's what we try to do with Zodiac. The other thing I want to encourage you guys to do, come in and step out. The other thing I want you to encourage, tactics and strategy. Don't always feel like you have to go and confront someone. Because what if this legitimately was a bathroom emergency?
Meanwhile, walking around.
Walking around?
Yeah. My name's Melissa.
Hi.
Right now.
Okay.
They're right in here. Why can't I see them?
Well, you have to
What
wait a
is
minute.
going on?
You have to
I
wait
want
a
to know
minute.
what's going on. Why do I gotta wait?
I gotta go talk to the lady in here, and then we'll come back and we'll see.
But I'm concerned.
Sure.
So I want to know if I can talk to this guy, because I need to show him in the Bible where it says, hell to shun,
Yeah.
heaven to gain.
Right, right. Well, I can tell you this.
It'll be a couple minutes. So here I am a half hour later. I'm expecting the pastor, and I'm looking at you guys thinking, you are not the pastor.
That was the only thing that I thought would definitely need to be tweaked because we definitely found ourselves in a very enclosed spot.
I had you backed into the corner.
Right.
You probably could have backed off a little bit, because what happens here, we're in a two. Both guys are talking. We're really one.
Couches at the waiting area, so that's probably what threw it. Okay. But in the event, take advantage of whatever props and stuff you have, though. And the point of the exercise is, number one, just being able to think outside the box, look for potential weapons. Doesn't have